Gentlemen of the press, I greet you all and say good morning. I am Right Honorable Ajoto Kabir, by God's grace, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. There is an issue going on that borders on our activities as a parliament in Edo State. And as the presiding officer and leader of the Edo State House of Assembly, I need to put the situation very straight. I had earlier addressed the press in my office, I think last week, on the matter, but I feel, given what happened yesterday by those who call themselves civil society group, which of course I don't see them as one, I need to readdress the press. The issue of electricity theft is not new in Nigeria. Sometimes in 2018, the National Electricity Regulatory Commission sent a bill to the National Assembly to criminalize electricity theft, which of course has been done. It's now in National Act. I have a copy here. I will make it available to the press. In that act, it is life imprisonment for vandalization of BEDC equipment. And electricity theft is 21 years imprisonment. As we speak, BEDC is already using this federal act to prosecute Edo State people. As a proactive parliament, that is not going down well with us. Because for us, there was need as a parliament to adequately legislate to protect Edo people. That is why we are here. Just like what Ekiti have done, because it is BEDC that controls Ekiti, Delta, Edo, and Ondo states. Ekiti on the State House of Assembly have passed a law, a bill into law, criminalizing electricity theft, so that BEDC will not over-rely on this federal act to punish Ekiti people. I have it here. I will make copy available to the press. Now, the question is, what we have done, is it trying to punish the people we represent? The answer is no. We are trying to protect the interest of Edo people. We invited the management of BEDC, led by Funke. Abu was there. We invited all of them to the parliament. And we questioned them that the issue of estimated bill is wrong. Are you going to hold Aliyu of Vanguard, for instance, culpable if you don't, for stealing your electricity, if you don't provide Aliyu with meter? How do you measure what he has consumed? You cannot measure it. If you cannot measure what somebody has consumed, how do you accuse that person of theft? We now told them that it's very important as Edo people that they provide us with meter. Every consumer in Edo, they must provide them with meter. And that in the absence of meter, there is no household in Edo State or any community that they can take to court for stealing electricity. And as a parliament, we cannot just make this statement. They have authority to rely on the federal act. They will take our people and charge them, take them to Federal High Court and charge them there and rely on this. The only thing we could do is to domesticate this federal act into our own Edo State laws and amend those sections that we felt are injurious to the people of Edo State. Particularly the area of metering, that you cannot just take an Edo man to Federal High Court Benin and say he has stolen electricity, whereas you didn't provide that Edo man with meter. In our own law, which of course is here, the clean copies are yet to be out. I don't know where the civil society, so-called civil society, got any copy from. As we speak, the copy is not out. And by the time it's out, we equally make it available to the public to see all the sections we have altered to suit our own peculiar situation in Edo State. You cannot take us there and charge us for stealing your electricity if you don't provide us with meter. It's included in the electricity the bill we are considering. You cannot say somebody have vandalized your transformer. You cannot say somebody have vandalized your transformer if you don't fence your transformer around, put a barbed wire and lock. Provide enough security for your equipment. It is there in the bill. So before somebody carry your transformer, he must have destroyed your fence, your security that you provided to protect that equipment. It is there in the bill. So it is only when somebody now destroy your security gadget, everything before carrying the transformer, you can now arrest the person. We now included in that bill that until all these conditions in the bill are fulfilled, certainly you cannot be taking Edo people to federal high court, because when an offense is committed in a state, you take that person to a state high court. BEDC is not a federal establishment. But you need an enabling law to be able to charge Edo people to state high court. And in charging Edo people to state high court, you cannot use a federal act. We need to do our own to suit our peculiar situation. That is that. Then it is very good to get information before reaction. As civil society group led by Omobude that came here yesterday, they have to behave civil. They shouldn't allow politicians to use them to achieve their selfish aim. And you know, when you are demonstrating because of the people, you do it in such a way that people will not cast aspersion on you. They came here yesterday with Babalawo, with a lot of dirty things, with the picture of Mr. Speaker, with live animals. Look at, they came to the gate of Edo State House of Assembly. Why I say they should not behave like people of the old is that we expect them as civil society to know that whatever we do here, we are protected by the law. And if you challenge us unjustly, the law will equally fight. What we do here, if you are not satisfied, you can challenge us in court. You can come by way of protest, and that protest has to be civil. You can ask us to organize public hearing, put a stop, organize public hearing and let us contribute. Not coming here with pictures of honorable members, pictures of Mr. Speaker, live animals, and herbalists, and be killing animals in front of House of Assembly, and defacing the House of Assembly with dirty things, and say you are a civil society group. We consider them as not civil society. We make law for Edo. We are going to look at the laws that establish them as civil society group that can go to parliament and be sacrificing animals and laying curses on honorable members. There is no law that can establish a civil society like that. No. They came and say Honorable Ajoto is now late, whereas I'm alive. They were addressing me as late Honorable Ajoto. I am alive. Late Honorable Asoro. Asoro is alive. Calling all of us honorable members late. That appellation late is for those who are dead. It's either they are planning to kill us by what they have done, or they have perfected plan to kill us. And that will not go uninvestigated. The security agency will investigate that. Because a living man that you know is living, you cannot go on camera and say late. It's on camera. I have all, and I'm going to make it available to the press. Everything they did here yesterday. We are not dead. There are more civil ways to ask questions. They have come before to complain about BEDC. We summoned BEDC. We called them. We met. We discussed. The interest of Edo people is paramount to us, not that of BEDC. BEDC is a private company. They are making their money, but they should not exploit Edo people. If a civil society group want to fight and fight for the people, they should not threaten us. They should come and let us talk, because we are equally here for Edo people. So you can see the property of Edo State House of Assembly is not the property of Asoro, it's not the property of Ajoto, it's not the property of Okumbo, Honorable. It is the property of Edo State government and Edo people. If you want to demonstrate, you don't deface it, you don't destroy it. As Speaker, I know how much it cost House of Assembly to give this property a facelift and give it white paint. With Edo people's money, not with Ajoto's money. Now, look at what they have done. Clear. Clear here. Clear. Is this one, all the things they use, is this one, are they fighting for the people of Edo State? Look at the ground, the sacrifice they put on the ground, that their enemy will die, not us. Is this how a civil society behaves? A civil society should not behave like this. This is not my property. The money that will be used, or that was used to renovate it, to do this place, is Edo State money, people's money. If you come, yesterday you saw it on camera, it's on camera how they were throwing everything to defend this place. Is that right? Is that how to fight for the people of Edo State? No.